Let's talk about an article by John Barrows, Seven Gifts Revitalizing Living Laws Through Indigenous Legal Practice. So, this article regards being practice ready, and it also talks about professional responsibility um, through an ethical lens provided by the Anishinaabe law. So, main point in the introduction here, it is not enough to have well-designed laws sitting on the books. The broader culture, and most especially lawyers' culture, must cultivate the internalization of ethical behavior. So Anishinaabe law speaks about applying the seven grandfather-grandmother teachings. We must learn to treat each other with wisdom, respect, love, bravery, truth, humility, and honesty. So number one of the seven grandfather-grandmother teachings, vision. Law schools and law societies could do more to cultivate ethical learning. Number two, land. Law is embodied in the earth and in nature. Number three, language. There is value in learning or being exposed to an indigenous language in developing professional responsibility as future lawyers. Four, tribal courts. It is important to learn from and with local First Nations in our territories as we attend law school and work to become practice-ready lawyers. Number five, customs. Indigenous communities could engage in their own terms with their own laws in creating or revitalizing dispute resolution systems. Number six, constitutions. There are over 30 Anishinaabe communities in Ontario that are contemplating or that have implemented a written constitution. These constitutions identify heads of power with very broad authorities in these communities. They deal with issues like language, culture, remedies, jurisdiction, rights, freedoms, and governance. They empower communities to make decisions in regards to issues like wildlife, conservation, education, housing, economic development, membership, and child welfare. The list of jurisdictional powers is extensive and related to matters which directly impact the health and welfare of the communities. Finally, gift number seven, the Indigenous legal education. Indigenous law could be more formally recognized in the legal profession if it was taught in law schools. Furthermore, law schools can be a greater resource for Indigenous communities if they took direction from them in developing practical tools that assisted them in the revitalization process. Thank you for watching my video. Please do me a big favor and hit that like button and subscribe to get more videos on law school and NCA exam prep.